Today we're going to share with you the top 5 tips to avoid wire fraud.
Hey everyone, I'm Josh Giordani.
And I'm Brianna Prince, and we're with Lawyers Title.
While it doesn't happen often, a hacker could potentially access your account with a current real estate transaction and take your wiring information.
The hacker can send an email to the buyer posing as the escrow officer or the title officer. The fraudulent email will contain new wiring instructions or routing information and will request the buyer to send funds accordingly.
Tip number 1, know who you're working with. Verify your escrow company and escrow officer.
Step number 2, call before you wire. Confirm your wiring instructions by phone with the escrow officer before you transfer the funds.
Tip number 3, be suspicious. Your escrow officer will never change their wiring instructions, so make sure to call before you wire.
Step number 4, confirm it. Ask the bank to confirm the account number and the name on the account before you send out the wire.
Number 5, verify immediately. Call your escrow officer as soon as the funds were wired to confirm the wire was received.
The key takeaway is to verify before you wire.
If you have any questions about wire fraud, we're here to help, so feel free to reach out to us at any time.